Okay, so Apple really said, let's make a phone in peach orange and move the Apple logo down to the butt cheeks of the device. I'm not even exaggerating. The iPhone 17 Pro Max now comes in peach, and the Apple logo's been dropped like it got ghosted. This is not a drill. Apple's done playing it safe. They've officially entered their weird era, and I kind of respect it. I just take a look on dummy units, not functioning phones, just shells of the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and the all-new iPhone 17 Air. These are the models case makers use to prep their accessories ahead of launch. So yeah, they're hollow inside, kind of like my trust issues after every Apple event. But visually, these are pretty damn close to what we're actually getting next month. And spoiler alert, they're nuts. Let's start with the heavy hitters. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Color-wise, you've got your expected classics, black and silver, fine, solid, whatever. But then Apple hits us with this navy blue that looks like it drinks whiskey neat and owns a vinyl collection. It's deep, rich, and honestly, sexy. It's like if the iPhone 12 Pro's blue grew up, got a therapist, and started charging for consulting. Then there's the peach orange, which against all odds kind of slaps. It's less blinding neon and more sunset on the West Coast. Warm, soft, and weirdly refreshing, like I didn't ask for it, but now I can't stop looking at it. Now here's the curveball, the Apple logo. It's not in the center anymore on the Pros. It's been yeeted south, sitting lower on the back like it fell during an update and nobody bothered to fix it. Why? Well, rumor has it Apple's putting a reverse wireless charging coil right smack in the middle and the logo got moved to align with that. Makes sense. Still looks dumb, but function form, I guess. The back still has that huge glossy camera island, same oversized lenses still off-center. I swear, symmetry died with Steve. But here's the kicker, the Pros are thicker now, like noticeably 8,8 millimeter. That's thicker than the 16 Pro and even the 15 Pro Max. Why? Apparently we're finally getting a real battery, 5,000 milliampere. Finally, Apple's giving us enough juice to get through a whole damn day without charging mid-Spotify playlist. And hey, the frame is aluminum now. They dropped titanium. It's lighter, probably cheaper, but I ain't complaining. It's still gonna look premium, but your wrists won't file a lawsuit after holding it for 30 minutes. But let's talk about the wild child in the lineup, the iPhone 17 Air. This thing is so thin, it might slip between your couch cushions and never be seen again. We're talking 5.5 millimeter thin. That's thinner than your ex's apology. And yeah, it actually beats Samsung's latest in the thinnest war. You could slice cheese with this phone, no joke. Design-wise, it's smooth, light, and straight up gorgeous. The colors are toned down here. Soft baby blue and a kind of pastel orange gold. Think beach house aesthetic meets Calabasas brunch. It doesn't scream, it whispers. And honestly, it feels so good in the hand, like dangerously good. But there's a catch. Of course there is. Only one camera. One. This ain't the phone for the mobile photographers. The battery, also super small. It's built for people who use their phone to text, vibe, and take the occasional brunch selfie. Power users, you'll break this thing by noon. And the USB-C port, it's weirdly placed toward the back, like way off from center. I don't know if it's a design flex or a mistake, but it looks goofy. Still, the Air is the iPhone for the minimalist, the person who just wants something light, pretty, and different. And I'll admit, I want to try using it daily just to see if it's as good as it feels. But let's be real, I'm not giving up ultra wide and a real battery for a phone that looks like a credit card. Now, the base iPhone 17, it's kind of just there, not a huge design refresh. It's basically an iPhone 16 with different paint. The new blue, it's baby soft, kind of looks like it's been left in almond milk. The lime green, wildly bright, borderline candy, feels like Apple made it just for Gen Z group chats and middle school lockers. The pink, same as last year, not mad about it. And yeah, the logo stays centered here. Apparently, only the expensive ones get weird design experiments. But here's what I'm watching closely, that new cutout on the back of the Pro models. Yeah, the one they're saying is for reverse charging. Word on the street is Apple's working on a whole new MagSafe 2.0 ecosystem. Think smart wallets, attachable batteries, maybe even modular camera lenses, real transformer level stuff. They're not just dropping new colors, they're slowly building a modular iPhone future, one weird logo placement at a time. So, yeah, the iPhone 17 lineup is wild. Apple's not playing it safe anymore. They're experimenting, pushing weird ideas, and honestly, I'm into it. This isn't just another incremental update year. It's the year they said, let's freak it a little. And whether you're here for the Navy Blue Pro, the Pastel Air, or just watching this unfold like a tech soap opera, it's gonna be a fun ride. And if you think this is unhinged, just wait till you see what Apple's doing with the foldable iPhone. Spoiler alert, it might actually fold your wallet in half and delete your checking account. Stay tuned. Peace out.